Okay, hello everybody. This is 7-1 tonight. We're using mental math to divide. Okay, so you might need a multiplication chart for this one tonight. So if you don't have one of these, I will have one on the website you can download and print off if you need to. But you might need one of these. You might not. If you know your multiplication tables, you might just be fine with it. But 7-1. So we're using mental math to divide. Let's look. I'm going to do a couple problems with you, and then I'm going to let you go off on your own. So if we look at number 1, number 1 is 250 divided by 5. Now when we do these, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have you get rid of that 0. If there's ever a 0 there, we're not going to get rid of it, but we're going to just kind of ignore it for a minute. And we're just going to look at the hundreds place and the tens place, and we're just going to say 25 divided by 5. We're looking for an easier answer that we can just do in our head. 25 divided by 5. Well, we all know that 5 times blank equals 25. And what goes in that blank? It's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So if we use our fact families, we'll know that 25 divided by 5 is also going to be 5. Okay, but now we need to go back to the original problem. The original problem was not 25 divided by 5. It was 250. So we have to take that 0 and put it back in. And if we put it back in here, we have to put it back in over here. So our answers to 250 divided by 5 is 50. Okay, let me go ahead and do a couple other ones with you here. Number 2, 1,400 divided by 2. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to get rid of those two zeros for right now. And we're going to stick with 14 divided by 2. Well, I know that 7 times 2 equals 14. So, therefore, 14 divided by 2 has to be 7. But remember those two zeros, we have to make sure we put them back in. So the answer to 1,400 divided by 2 equals 700. Okay, now let me skip down here a little bit. And I'm going to go down to number 6. Number 6 is 36,000 divided by 4. So again, we have 3 zeros here. We're just going to kind of ignore those 3 zeros for right now and say 36 divided by 4. Now if you don't know the answer to that and you do need to use a place value chart to 36 divided by 4, or not a place value chart, but a multiplication chart, okay, we're going to go over here to the 4. Remember, it was 36 divided by 4, so we're going to start with the 4, and we're going to slide across till we get to 36. And what do you know? There it is. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Okay, so if we go back to our page now, 36 divided by 4 equals 9. And that's because 9 times 4 equals 36. But remember, we've got these 3 zeros that we kind of ignored at the beginning. So they are still part of the problem. It wasn't 36 divided by 4, it was 36,000. So we have to make sure and bring those 3 zeros back into the problem, and our answer is 9,000. All right, so if we go back to, okay, so 42 divided by 7. Okay, so once again, we are going to just ignore those 2 zeros for right now. We will bring them back at the end, but for right now, we're just going to stick with 42 divided by 7. Now, if you're in my class, you will already know that 7 times 6 is cushy 42. But if you didn't know that, you could go back to your place value chart here, and since it's 42 divided by 7, then you can go ahead and start with your 7s, slide across till you get to 42, and then you just look up right here, and you know that the answer is 6. Okay, so that's how you can use this place value chart to help you divide. So 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Let me go back here. But our original problem was not 42 divided by 7, it was 4,200. So we have to take those 2 zeros and make sure we put them back in at the end. So 4,200 divided by 7 equals 600. Good luck on your homework tonight. You guys will do awesome on this. I will talk to you tomorrow.